2.5 million terabytes. That's how much data the world creates every day. Storing, organizing, and analyzing data is becoming more important than ever. And data engineers build the engines that help companies make sense of it all. They're crucial to any company's data strategy. Without the right infrastructure, you can collect data, but it just sits and takes up space. That's why our team at Udacity created the Data Engineer Nanodegree program. In a flexible learning environment, we teach you how to understand the data ecosystem, then give you the right tools to navigate it. You apply what you learn by completing hands-on, portfolio-ready projects. Along with the world-class curriculum that you get with the Nanodegree program, you also gain access to career services to help you succeed. So are you ready to help the world find meaning out of data? Join today by enrolling in the Data Engineer Nanodegree program.